What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Behind me I have a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. And I'm going to go over what we added to it. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted and trying to figure out what wheels and tires or what lift kit to go with, you should definitely take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have a 4-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to have the strut spacer that goes right above the factory strut, which helps lift up the truck, give it a nice level look, matching the front with the back, and also allow us to fit this bigger wheel and tire package. Speaking of the wheel and tire package, the tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. With this tire, we do have to do a little bit of trimming down here on this plastic piece below the bumper, just enough so that it's not rubbing anymore. But the tire is going to be the hybrid tire. It's going to have that the best of both worlds with the all-terrain and mud-terrain look. It's going to give you the aggressive look, but also it's going to give you a nice wear life and quiet ride going down the road. If you wanted to, you could go with the mud-terrain version of this tire, which is going to be the Trail Grappler, or you can go the other way and go with the all-terrain tire, which is going to be the Nitto Grappler G2. That one's going to be the better for you if you're going to be driving this every single day. It's going to give you a quieter ride and also a longer tread life as well. Down here we have a 22x12 fuel stroke and a -44 offset with the gloss black and milled finish. This one's going to be that deep dish look, which is going to have about a 5-inch lip on this one thanks to the offset, which is also going to push that wheel and tire package out about the same amount, giving it a nice wider stance. This one's going to be that split spoke design, and this is probably one of my favorite wheels that we use. It's going to have a lot of different lines going on, which is going to give it a more aggressive look. So this one's going to come in from sizes from 17x9 all the way up to a 24x14. So if you guys are looking to run this on your truck, there's plenty of options for you to choose from, as well as other finishes that could also include the gloss black and candy red finish as well. So overall, there's a lot of options you could go with, but this is a very good setup that we have on this one. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, you can give us a call. We can help do that for you. That information will be down below. Also, if you are looking to get your truck lifted, yes, it can cost a little bit of money, but we also offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are looking to do that, that information will be in the description as well.